Hi, I'm Darren Cook of Big Stick Combat. I last reviewed this Kershaw Shuffle 2. As I said, it's a great little knife, has a great feel in the hand for a tiny knife. It has a 2.5-inch blade. This is a knife that you want if you're limited. You can only have a 2.5-inch blade or less. Now what happens if I can carry the knife that I really want to carry? I just picked this up. It's a Schrade SCH F23. Not a very captivating name, but here's the blade here. So this knife here has got a beautiful feel in the hand. It just, the grip on this is perfect. We've got a little texture here. It's slim, but it feels a hand, and I like that it has a pommel. So if I have to hit with the butt, admittedly with a knife, you don't want to hit with the butt, but if I have to, it's got a solid butt on the end of it. But here's the beauty of it. Normally, your angle of a blade is here, right? It's going to extend straight. And so for me to get to cutting angle, here I have to pronate the hand. And this is a weak angle of the hand. So right here as it is, when I draw, I kind of like a pistol grip. I'm already in a very strong thrusting grip. And if I have to cut, because the blade is rotated forward, I am cutting long before I would with a straight edge blade. What this means is that this blade is in the cut zone much longer than a straight blade would be. Same thing if I'm in a reverse grip. And so what I like about this is that if I have this in front of the hip, I can get it with either hand. I can draw with the right hand, draw with the left hand in a reverse grip. Same thing applies. Normally, my cutting edge is here. I'm already cutting with this one. With this grip here, once I bring it up, the point is right straight ahead. Normally, with that blade, if it's a straight blade, it's pointed off to the side. As I bring this up here, it's already straight on. So this is a great knife. 20 bucks, including shipping. You know, less than 20 bucks, you've got yourself a great knife. Feels great in the hand. The only problem I had was with the sheath. The sheath had a very, very tight grip. In fact, when I first put it on, one-handed. I was yanking and couldn't even pull it up. I needed two hands to get the knife out of the sheath. Now, if you're camping or you're hiking, that's great. But for combat, you don't want it. That's why you have to practice your draw. So what I had to do was I got scissors and then pruning shears, and I cut down this sheath until I got where it is now, where it'll hold it. It's not going anywhere, but if I have to draw it, it comes up in a moment. So the Schrade SCH F23, I highly recommend it. For the money, I don't think you can get a better knife.